How to save story drafts on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save story drafts on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on to the Instagram app itself, visit your App Store or your Play Store and make sure that it is up to date. If it says update, just click on that so that you will have the latest features. After you have updated your app, just head on and open Instagram. And first thing that you want to make sure is that you have to be on your home page or at your profile page. So to be at your profile page, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner, and there you are in your profile page. But I'm just going to do this at the home page, so you can either click on your story right here or this plus button. Just gonna click on the plus button and click on story. So if you want to save a story draft, the first way is that you need to use your camera. So I'm just going to click on camera right here. I'm just going to take a picture. And if you click on the arrow button right here to navigate back, Instagram will prompt you to discard media, or you also have the option to save draft. So just click on that save draft and that will be saved as your draft. So take note that story drafts expire and drafts will be permanently deleted 7 days after you first save them. Just click on OK. And if ever you want to use an existing photo from your camera roll to post as a story draft or save as a story draft, I'm just going to click on a random photo right here. And to save it as a draft, you need to add an element on that photo. So I'm just going to, so you can either add a text right here, or you can also brush on a photo and add effects or add stickers, so that will be saved as a draft. So just click on this arrow icon again to navigate back, and you will have the option to save draft once again. Just click on that and that will be saved as your draft. So to see your drafts, just click on this icon right here at the bottom left corner, and you will see 2 drafts right here. As you can see, just click on that and you can navigate through your drafts right here and manage that. So that is how you can basically save story drafts on Instagram. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.